The grape hyacinth, also known as Muscari. The name Muscari comes from the Latin word muscus, which means musk, named after the perfumed musk scent of the flowers. They originate from Southeast Europe, parts of Mediterranean Europe and some parts of Eurasia. In Christianity, grape hyacinths are a symbol of wisdom. This plant was first thought to be discovered and named as Muscari in Spain around about the 1570s, and it wasn't until about 100 years later when they were also given the name grape hyacinth. Some people pickle the small flowers. In his 1942 book on growth and form, Scottish zoologist Sir Darcy Wentworth Thompson wrote this about the grape hyacinth. The beautiful configuration produced by the orderly arrangement of leaves and florets on the stem have long been an object of admiration and curiosity. Thank you for watching this short video about the meaning of Muscari, the grape hyacinth. For more videos about the meanings of well-known plants, why not check out the playlist on screen now.